All right, everybody, so here, your first key to replace batteries in. This is a 5-button flat style. This is found in a lot of the Escapes, older Explorers, stuff like that. So what you're going to do, very first thing here, you're going to pull this little lever right here and pop the key out. All right, and all you're going to do is you're going to take this key and you're going to put it in this little hole right here and just pry up. When you pry up, you're going to flip it over. Your battery is going to be right here. Okay, so I always use this key and just pop it out. Takes a little bit of force here. All right, we won't do that. We get our screwdriver out. Little flathead screwdriver, just pop that battery out like this. All right, flip it over. You'll see this is a CR2032. Most of them are 2032s or 2025s. Make sure you put it back in the same way. So you'll have your key fob looking like this. All you do is pop the battery back in there. All right, and when you put this thing back in, it'll just snap in there for you. All right, so it's going to snap in. Put your little key back in there. You're good to go. All right.
Kightlinger motor.